What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your boy AG Miguel coming back with another video. This time we're going to be putting the Subaru on the dyno. We got some more aftermarket parts added onto it. Finally finished tuning. I got my tune done with Mikeybotti E Tuned. So we're going to find out what this car's finally putting down. I'm hoping it pushes around 360 plus, but we're going to have to see. Temperature inside this shop right now is 111 degrees. Sheesh, it's freaking hot in here. But quick rundown of what I have. I have a full exhaust, 3-inch, all the way from turbo back. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear me, but what I have done to it now, I have the IBR BRZ Manifold with the Cobb flex fuel kit, and then I went with the ETS front mount intercooler, 3 inches, and then what I had before was that Cobb big SF intake, the IAG Air OIl Separator. The cool thing about this new manifold, or new to me manifold, is that it's a complete TGV delete upper and lower, so more airflow. That's good. Honestly, that's like what's new now, just the manifold and the front mount with the flex fuel. If you guys haven't seen my last video where I was on the dyno, then I'll leave a link down below where I was pushing 300. Hopefully I get to push somewhere around 360. My goal with this car is to get to 400 horsepower, but we'll see what else I need after this. First pull, let's see what we made. 331. Let's do a 40 real quick. 40 and 60? Alright. Alright. You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1! So 2018 Honda Civic Type R. And what mods do you have onto this?
Engine intake, full NVIDIA exhaust, and downpipe. Next up is a PRL intercooler, potentially a different intake, and then I'm looking at a Mikeybotti oil cooler as well.
Nice.